Hey guys, welcome to OBK Lifestyle Tips. My name is Omkar Kamble, and today in this video, we are going to see what are the best short hair hairstyles for men. This video, we look at the 5 best hairstyles for men in 2020. These hairstyles will look great on most men and they do not require a lot of maintenance. If you want to change your hairstyle, then watch this quick video first. When it comes to picking up the hairstyle, face is one of the most important factors to consider. You can have world's best haircut, but if it doesn't work with your face cut, it'll be a disaster. In this video I am gonna explain the easiest ways to help you choose the best hairstyle for your face shape so your hairstyle complements your personality. Also, with this haircut can turn out to be a real disappointment for a lot of people, so best ways for a fade disconnected haircut: side face hairstyle, undercut hairstyle men, clean hairstyle. Considering hairstyles for every face shape such as hairstyles for oval face, hairstyles for round fave, hairstyles for diamond face, hairstyle for diamond face shape, hairstyles for triangle face shape, hairstyles for square face shape, and also hairstyles for oblong face shape. Hashtag hairstyles, hashtag face shape, hashtag haircut, hashtag best hairstyles for men, hashtag hairstyle, hashtag face shapes, hashtag hair hacks, hashtag men share, hashtag hair, hashtag hair care, hashtag set hair, hashtag wax, hashtag hair volume, hashtag before after, hashtag transformation. This means whether your face is a rectangle, oval, square, circle, triangle, heart or diamond, the right cut will expertly frame and balance it while showcasing your best features for a flattering and complementary appearance. So, instead of opting for the latest trend, try selecting a style that suits your face shape instead. So in today's video I'll be discussing what hairstyle makes you look smart and younger, best hairstyles for your face shape, and few hair hacks to level up grooming game. In this video, hairstyles for men, how to choose hairstyles for your face shape, undercut, disconnected undercut, men's hair hacks, best men's hairstyles, best hairstyles for college, beat hairstyles for boys, best haircut tips, how to choose hairstyle for face shape, hair volume, hair loss, frizzy hair, hair transformation, before and after, best haircuts for men, curly hair, wavy hairstyles, hairstyles thin hack, hairstyles thick hair, hair dryer, hair wax, hair spray, the formula dit, 2020, Hindi, how to find a new hairstyle, how to choose, how to pick, hair care, hair, men's hair care routine, face shape, hairstyle for men. Easy hairstyles for men, thick hair, haircut tips, face shapes for men, face shape, hairstyles, which hairstyle suits me, oval face hairstyles, round face hairstyles, Bollywood hairstyle men, diamond face hairstyles, long face hairstyles, square face hairstyles, hairstyle according to face shape, hairstyle according to face shape male, haircuts for men's face shape, choose the best hairstyle for your face shape, hairstyles according to face shape, Bollywood hairstyles, best hairstyles for men. In this video, I quickly share with you 5 of my favorite hairstyles for men in 2020. I don't waste your time, so I go right into the video. These top hairstyles are low maintenance and it will fit in with the face shapes of most guys. Your hairstyle is important because it can either enhance your face to look better or worse. Short haircuts have always been more popular because they give off a more neat, professional and athletic look. Most guys will look better with shorter hair compared to longer hair. Watch the full video and let me know in the comments section what your favorite hairstyle is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment if you like the video. So let's start the video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.